Is the camera okay? Okay. It's really windy out here. I mean, let's go down. So I am back. और मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी बात करूँगा because I can speak a bit fluently in Hindi. I know इंग्लिश में भी थोड़ा सा बात कर सकता हूँ, but speaking in Hindi makes you a desi, a proud desi.
ब्राउन मुंडे आओ देसी जे गीता।
Okay, enough jokes apart. So let's go to my PC और चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's go. So in this video, I'm gonna react to my baby pictures. I mean, old pictures. Sorry. To places that I have been traveled to back in my life before COVID.
ब्राउन मुंडे
So this is the first one, as you guys can see. So I went to Nico Park for the first time. Just look at my face. What an expression. So I was so excited and so excited that my look at my eyes, look at my hair, look at my face. I am so scared because I was so excited. I'm so weird, damn. Oh shit. I look damn cool, by the way. Anyways, moving on to the next pic. Okay, this is the second one. Oh shit, why do I look like a jerk? This is me. I don't know where. Oh yeah, I went to Digha. It's when I was like, I study in class 4. My age was like 12 years old, and I don't know my age. Oh shit. So just look at it. Just look at my face. Feel the vibe. Feel the presence of me in Digha. I can feel the wind from here. Just look at my expression. I was so excited because that's my first day in the. Because that was the first time in my life that I went to Digha. Sea life. First time in my life I went to Digha. First time in my life I went to a sea beach and feel the vibe. Okay. Now on to the next pic. So ये मैं हूँ जब मैं क्लास 4 या 5 में पढ़ता था. I don't know. So this is like I was standing in one of the roads and मेरे कोई फोटो खींच रहा था. I don't know. मैं पहली बार गैंगटॉक में गया था तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा था, पर फिर भी I somehow managed to get over it. Okay. और yeah, तुम सब लोग को पता है मैं बहुत छोटे से ही फोटोजेनिक हूँ, अब भी फोटोजेनिक हूँ. So this is it. So let's move on to the next pic. So this is me once again. This was in Puri. I think some temple. I think यहाँ पर मैं खड़ा हूँ. ओह क्या दिन थे वो. ये मैं एक छोटा सा आउटफिट पहन के खड़ा हूँ. ये मेरा फेवरेट आउटफिट था पूरी में. खुद को कूल समझता था जब मैं छोटा था. आई थिंक दिस वाज इन क्लास 8 और 9. आई थिंक 2017. सो ये बहुत अच्छा मेमोरी था मेरे लिए. पूरी में मैं बहुत एंजॉय किया, पर वहाँ पर एक क्या बोलूँ आपको, कुछ नहीं हुआ. चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पिक. This is, I think I remember it very vividly. I think this was shot in Tista, some place like that. I don't know the exact name. तो यहाँ पर ये बहुत मेरे लिए एडवेंचरस था, cause वहाँ पर बहुत कुछ हुआ है यहाँ पर. So जब I'm telling you one incident like when we were traveling when we were climbing the mountain, our boulder was about to fall on our car, but luckily we got saved. I don't know how to thank God, but we are lucky. So बहुत कुछ हुआ. और एक चीज़ भी हुआ था, वो मैं आपको नहीं बता सकता क्योंकि that confidential, so I cannot reveal it on the internet. पर हाँ, बहुत कुछ हुआ था और यहाँ पर मैंने बहुत enjoy किया और बहुत फ़ोटो शूट किया. और यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे तरफ से मेरे लिए बहुत क्या बोलूँ आपको, अच्छा लगा. यहाँ पर ये जगह बहुत अच्छा है. Oh my god, this was in, I think it's in Karnataka. Oh shit, oh no. I think this was shot in Sikkim or some place like that. I don't know, but it was in the northern region of India. So I went to a trip. So यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे थे. वहाँ पर पूरा चारी तरफ माउंटेन्स था, नेचुरल ब्यूटी था. और क्या बोलूँ आप लोग को, बहुत कुछ था. यहाँ पर बहुत एंजॉय किया मैंने. और यहाँ का रोड्स भी बहुत स्लोपी था. और यहाँ पर कुत्ते बहुत थे जो मुझे काटने के लिए. एक कुत्ते भी मेरे पीछे पड़ा, पर somehow I managed to save myself. And this was in, I think, I don't know. This was in Sikkim or some place like that. I don't know. This was me in that's the same year that I went this time. This was me in 2019 or 18. I read in class 10. So this is it. Now moving on to the last pick. I mean the second last pick. Oh wow, this is a nice one. So this is me, I think in class 11 when I went to another hilly region. So this was me when I was in class 11, I think. I mean in 2019. So I went to a hilly region like North America. Sorry, North India, like to a place like Darjeeling or Kurseong or some place like that. I don't know, मुझे अच्छे से पता नहीं था वहाँ का. Let's move on to the final pick. Okay guys, this is the last one. This was me in Mirik, some place like Mirik Lake or some place like that. So this was last year this was in also in 2019. So I studied in class 10 or 11. I enjoyed a lot there. यहाँ का weather बहुत अच्छे थे और I look like a stud here because I know I am photogenic. I mean I am photogenic and I will always be. That's my dream. Oh shit, what? So यहाँ पर मैं खड़ा था और मैं ये अच्छा पिक है. ये पता नहीं कौन खींचा पर the photographer is OP. I mean OG. But yeah, that's it. Oh shit, man. If you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Okay. और मैं चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, stay safe and goodbye. Take care. Peace.